Good morning, children. Welcome to GK class. Today we are going to learn about birds. A bird is an animal with feathers, wings, beak, and a tail. Have you all seen birds, children? Yes, we can see birds everywhere. Birds are of different types. Most of the birds can fly using the wings. Some cannot fly, and some can swim in water. Let's see some birds. Sparrow. Sparrows are small in size and brown in color. Parrot. Parrot is a beautiful bird, it has a curved beak. Pigeon. Pigeons are gray in color. Duck. It cannot fly high. It generally likes to live in water. Peacock. It has beautiful feathers. It is the national bird of India. Crow. It is the cleverest bird, it is black in color. Eagle. Eagle can fly very high in the sky. Kingfisher. It is a colorful bird, it has long narrow beak. Owl. It flies at night and sleep during the day. Ostrich. It cannot fly, but it can run very fast. Woodpecker. The bird can make a hole in a tree by its beak. Hen. It cannot fly. It gives us eggs. Children, take out your picture dictionary book. Open page number 6. Let's learn the name of the birds. Which bird is this? Parrot. This. Yes. Sparrow. What is the name of this bird, children? Crow. What is the name of this bird? Good. It's pigeon. This. Duck. This. Ostrich. What is the name of this bird? Owl. This one. Peacock. Which is our national bird, children? Peacock. Name one bird that cannot fly. Ostrich. Very good. Name two birds you have seen. Crow and pigeon. Thank you.